Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is Saturday, 19th of February 2025. With the closure of Ukraine and the shortage of food in Gaza Strip, people are struggling more than ever. Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan decided to prepare hot meals to distribute them in shelters to minimize their suffering. At the moment, we are at a Bayara shelter in the center area of Gaza Strip in order to continue our relief journey and being distributing hot meals for the families inside. Hand in hand, we can bring hope and unity.